Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Ash and I'm a photographer and content creator. Today I'll be doing a quick unboxing of the Godox AK-R1 Accessory Kit for roundhead flashes.
The accessory kit comes in the sturdy and portable carry case. All attachments are magnetic except for the silicone snoot. First up we have the dome diffuser. Then we have the bounce card, which is mainly used for shooting portraits. And you can also add the dome diffuser to it if you want the extra diffusion. A honeycomb grill, so if you want more precise and direct light. A diffuser plate to give you more soft and even lighting. A 4-wing reflector, or barn doors as it's called, to control the amount and direction of light. And here we have color correction filters as well as a filter holder. If you plan on shooting with color gels, you can purchase the Godox V11C color filter set for roundhead flashes. There are 15 colors in total and each color comes with 2 pieces, so in total there's 30 pieces in the set. So if you have a traditional rectangular head flash or the Godox 8200 Pro, you can still use this kit by purchasing the Godox SR1 roundhead magnetic adapter. So I completely forgot about showing you what the silicone snoot looks like. It basically just pops open and you slide it over your roundhead flash.
And that brings about a quick end to this unboxing. If you want to see more videos like this, please do hit that subscribe button. Until next time, keep creating and see you soon.